We pounce and then we bounce.
Don't forget to like Pouncey's video
and subscribe. So it's snowing again. Oh, Jess. I don't mind it. Some people do. But I think it's beautiful. And I love everything about it. The only thing that kind of bothers me is the way humans drive. Look at these fucking idiots. You know what I mean? Like, they're just too close for... There's ice on the ground from... Very pretty. And I'm heading home now. So, as you can see, I'm going to be making a left into my development. Oh, Jess. And... it's very pretty. Bruno's gonna want to go outside. This is my development where I live. Very pretty. It's a very pretty place. And I can't wait to go see my boo. I've been away from him all day. It's beautiful here because the snow melts so quickly. So you're not inundated with it staying piles and piles. It could be literally a week or 2 days sometimes, depending on the temperature, and it disappears. So a lot of people don't know that. So I just thought I'd fill you in on that. So I think the snow is absolutely beautiful, but that's just my opinion. Peace out.
Pouncey House. We pounce and then we bounce.